Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in WordPress from Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this course, you'll learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to log in WordPress from Namecheap. Login in WordPress from Namecheap is easy. It all starts with going to CPanel. Once inside CPanel, click on WordPress Manager from the left. And next to your WordPress site, click on Login. And this is how to log in WordPress directly from Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.